Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: model, Apple ID, and access to the paired iPhone. This matters because activation lock ties to the owner. Once ready, sign into iCloud. Com with the owner Apple ID and open Find My. Make sure the watch is powered and near Wi-Fi. If you have the iPhone, open the watch app. These first steps place you where you can remove the device, so do them now and keep the proof of purchase visible. Now perform the removal. On iCloud, choose the watch under Devices and tap Erase Apple Watch. This wipes data and prepares removal. Once the erase completes, click Remove from Account. Enter the Apple ID password to confirm because that severs activation lock. If you have the paired iPhone, unpair via the watch app instead. That triggers an automatic erase and removal. Follow on-screen prompts closely and wait for the process. Finish by restarting and attempting to pair the watch to a new iPhone. This verifies the activation lock is removed. If the watch still requests the previous Apple ID, gather the serial number and proof of purchase, then contact Apple support. Explain you erased the device and need activation help. They can verify ownership and clear the lock. Make sure you avoid third-party unlocking services. They often fail and risk your device. If problems continue, Apple support is your reliable next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.